Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make a gesture control card. Please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. Take two gate motors and screw on wheels to it. Attach a motor to two sticks. Now take a small cap with a hole on top and fix a nut like so. Take a bead and a small stick and glue it to the cap. Take an 18650 battery holder and stick a CN6009 voltage booster and TP4056 battery charger to it. Solder the battery wires like so. Now solder a switch to it. Take an L293D motor driver socket and solder it to the perforator board. Solder the wires according to the circuit diagram given in the description below. In the meantime, smash the subscribe button. Make sure that two wires are not touching each other. Check if all the connections are proper with the multimeter. Solder the wires according to the circuit diagram given in the description below. Solder the connector to the Arduino Uno. Stick the board to the Arduino. Place the chip. Connect the wires to the Arduino according to the circuit diagram. Take a cardboard piece and attach the motors to it. Stick the battery and Arduino to it. Attach the wheel to the body. Upload the code and then connect the HC05 Bluetooth module. I have made an app using MIT App Inventor. Now download the APK file given in the description below onto your phone. It would be much appreciated if you like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.